How to access them? We discuss now. See. Yeah, see this. You know this compiler, 16-bit compiler, address range is 0 to 65,535. 0 to 65,535. Yeah, guys, see. Then how to print a pointers? Program execution starts from main. Program execution starts from main. Here I want to take two variables, x and y. X is 5 and y is 10. X is 5 and y is 10. Now two pointer variables I want to take. Integer star p, star q. Star p and star q. Variable names are p and q. Variable names are p and q, not star p, star q. Yeah, see, star p, star q, p and q. P and q are pointer variables. X and y are variables here. Clear screen, it removes the previous output. Clear screen, it removes the previous output. Now, I want to print the addresses. I want to print the addresses. If you want to print the addresses, it has to store that X address. How to store the X address? See, p equals to address of X I have written. P equals to address of X. Now, if I write p equals to address of X, what will happen? It stores, right? P stores. Address of X returns the base address. Address of X returns the base address. P stores. We are storing this address of X into the P. It stores X address. X base address of X, right? Base address of X. Same Y address also I want to store. Q equals to address of Y. Okay, Y value also stored in 2 bytes. Okay, what Q stores? Here P stores. Here P stores base address of X, and here Q stores what? Q stores base address of Y. Q stores a base address of Y. Now I want to print the addresses. How to print the addresses? Now print address. We know different formats we can print the address. Decimal format I want to print them. DF means decimal format. Address in decimal format. Address in decimal format. Okay, what is the format specified to print a decimal?
Percentile.
And percentile value. We can use anything, right? Now I want to use percentile u, percentile u. Decimal means normal decimal. Okay, example. See this. First, I want to print a X address. X address is P, right? X address P. It's storing P equals to address of X. Now tell me if I write what it is printing. Save as .c extension. Header files are optional. Save any name .c. Yes, see. What is X address? Guys, tell me what is X address?
65524.
And 2 bytes, right? X value is stored in 2 bytes. What are the 2 bytes? First, what are the 2 bytes? Tell me.
5524 and
24,
55.
25.
24 and 24 and
25.
25.
24 and 25. Good. Okay, assume if it is a stack, okay, what is the range? 35 it is. But why it is not starting from 35? Why it's not starting from 35? Maybe some data is there. Okay, assume this value stored in 2 bytes, that is 24 and 25. Assume it is 24, 65,524 it is. 524. Y value is what? 65,525. 65,525. This value is stored in 25, 24 and 25. Right? This is X. Already it is some data is there. Some data is there in this other bytes. Now Where this y value will be stored? Tell me guys next. Where y value will be stored?
23, 22.
And 23.
Very good. Now it is stored 22, 65,522. Right? This is 22 and 23. Now that is a y address. Okay, we'll check it. We'll print it. This is y address. This is x address. X address is 24. It is 24. It is a 22. We check it. 22 and this. Okay, y address I want to print. See this. How to print a y address here? Percentile u. And y address also I want to print, right? Again use percentile u. Y address. Write a q. See the output. Yes or no?
Yes.
24 and 22, right? That is 24 and 22. Now address in the hexadecimal format I want to print. How to print address in hexadecimal format? See, now I want to print address in hexadecimal format. What is format specified?
Percentile P.
Percentile P.
Yeah, you can use percentile P or percentile X or percentile LP, right? Now I want to use percentile P. Print a P and Q. Print a P and Q. See the output? That is hexadecimal format. See guys. That is hexadecimal format. Okay, how to print the data? You understood, right? How it is printing decimal and hexadecimal. Now I want to print a data. How to print a data? Here I want to print a data. Printf fields. Data I want to print. Okay, how to print a data? Values. Nothing but a data means values. How to print a values? If you want to print a values, percentile you have to use, and percentile values I want to print. Okay, if you know the address directly, what is the format specifier? If you know the address 65,524 star 65,000, what it will access? It accesses the data from that address star 65,522. It accesses the data from that address. 24 and 22. Print this. Compiler is giving two errors. What is the error? Invalid indirection. Invalid indirection. Why it is giving that error? Invalid indirection. Okay. What is this operator? This operator is called indirection operator. If you write address and this operator, it accesses the data. This is also address and this operator. Okay. It accesses the data from that address, but compiler is giving error as invalid indirection. Why it is giving error as this invalid indirection? See, when you are using this indirection operator or star operator, this star operator, always you have to write address. Okay, see guys, here I have written address only. I have written address. That is 24 and 25, 22 is they are the addresses only. Even though if I write addresses, then again it is giving error, invalid indirection. Why it is giving as a error? Invalid indirection. I have written direct addresses 524, 65,524 I have written. Are you following what I am talking, right? See, 65,524 is the address. In my point of view, it is address. But compiler point of view, it is taking as a number. 65,524 is a number. That is compiler point of view. My point of view, that is a X address. Compiler is giving, that's why error. Indirection is only for addresses. Indirection only for addresses. We know this is address, but compiler it doesn't take it as address. Okay, that's why it is giving error. That's why what to do? We need to inform to the compiler it's a addresses. How to inform to the compiler? Write int star. If I write int star, then it take it as address. Same here also, write int star, then it take it as address. Now check it once. See, x value and y value is 5 and 10. Okay. But this is not recommended always. Directly we cannot write addresses. This is not recommended. That's why what I have to write. See, now I will print how to print the values. Now I want to print a values. Here I want to print a values. Values are percentile, star. What I have to write? Tell me here. What is X address, guys?
P.
P. We can write star P and star Q. Understood? Star P and star Q. P is address. P is addresses. Star P is the value from that addresses. Once execute this, that is 5 and 10. Okay. We can write this way also, and another way also we can write. What is another way? I will show. See this? Printf of X address and Y address. Now I want to print X address and Y address. Values are, sorry, data I want to print, percentile D, two spaces, again percentile star p. Instead of star p, we can write like this also. Star p, p means what? Address of x I can write. Address of x. Star q means what? You can write address of y. See guys, whenever you are writing star address, these two will be cancelled. These two will be cancelled. X will be there and y will be there. Directly we are printing x and y. That is also valid. See this? That values are same. You understood, right? How it stores the values? How it stores the values? See, in memory it takes like this. In memory it takes the like this. Addresses, right? Yeah, how it takes the addresses, I will show you. See this. See, here first x address will be stored like this. X address stored in 2 bytes, that is 24. Y address stored 22 and 23, right? P stores address of x, Q stores address of y. Okay, integer pointer, P is the integer pointer. It accesses data from 2 bytes. This data from 2 bytes. Y is also, Q is also integer point, it accesses. If it is a character pointer, access data from 1 byte. Float pointer access data from 4 byte. Depends upon the pointer type, it accesses the data. Access means retrieving from the memory, from memory, right? Just write this program, guys, and draw the diagram.